Candid camera cash register. No, when I worked for the security guard company, we would go in and recommend putting in cameras and stuff. And one of the things you put the cameras on is the employees, because a lot of the theft,
Right.
a lot of restaurants and grocery stores and whatnot is employees.
Yeah.
So it was a candid camera on the employees, and you catch them stealing, you know. No, but you wouldn't steal. Normally, you wouldn't be at the cash register stealing. It would be in the back room, somewhere, somehow.
Products.
Yeah, somehow in the transfer there. And thus we will close another episode in Candid Camera Cash Register.